Normal house wash mix over here, and you can kind of see an improvement. It's less dirty, I guess. Did another house wash mix right here, less dirty. So that's how we typically wash most homes. It's called gentle detergent soft washing, but most homes need a little bit more. Some homes that are, deferred maintenance have gone on too long, need a little bit extra maintenance. So what we did, 2 test spots here in addition to the soft washing. You can see one area where we did a little bit of pressure right here, and then another area right here where we applied our citrus base acid, and we basically scrubbed it like a car. Multiple scrubbings, coats, dwelling times. So as you can see, this right here is by far a complete restoration. We can get your siding to look basically brand new. If you hire a pressure washing company, these are kind of the results you can expect. It's going to get cleaner, but you're not going to get that amazing look, right?